Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe because we bring you the best auto training content every day. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to collect and refund security deposit in the Odoo Rentals module. Whether you are renting out cameras, cars, generators, or any high value equipment, managing security deposit properly is absolutely critical. And the good news, Odoo makes the whole process automated, accurate, and super professional. So grab a coffee and let's dive right in. Why is this feature is important? Let's start with a quick reality check. Imagine you are running a camera rental business and a customer wants to rent a professional which costs thousands of dollars. Now what happens if it gets damaged, lost or returned late? That's where the concept of a security deposit comes in. You collect a refundable deposit, say $100, to protect your business from potential losses. It's common practice and builds mutual trust between you and your customer. But if you track this manually, it's error prone, inconsistent, and hard to follow. That's why Odoo gives you a dedicated automated way to handle it from collection to refund. How it works in Odoo. Now let's break it down step by step using a camera rental as our example. So, going in the workflow, before moving into the workflow, we have 6 steps. First step is create a deposit product. First, we need to create a deposit product in Odoo. This will not be a physical item. It should be set as a service type product. Name it something like digital camera security product deposit. So for this purpose, I am moving to the rental module or rental app here. For this purpose, I am moving to the products. Now I have to make a product as a service. As I stated, I'll name it digital camera security deposit. So simply say let's say I am giving the price is 1,000 rupees against of the actual product camera. So it is basically, as I stated, it is not a good, it is a service. So simply this work is done. So we can keep the internal notes as well. Same, just copy this name and simply paste here and write down in the starting in to make it statement, proper statement. This is a digital camera security deposit. So it will be gives a helpful message in coming stages when it will be required. So let's now save this product as a service. So saving it manually, then again I'm moving to the another product which is link deposit to rental product. So this digital camera security deposit will link to the actual rented product. So now moving to the making the rented product. So naming is digital camera. So as usual, it is getting checked on rental, so it is good. So basically I'm keeping as it is. And if you wanted to track the inventory, so there is a 3 option: by lots, by unique serial number, and quantity. So as usual I'm getting is quantity on hand. What means quantity on hand? If a business has 20 cameras, which business people can give these cameras to the rentals. So this entire quantity, whatever business owner own or keep in himself, so called as quantity on hand. Let's take 20 as on hand quantity. Now I am keeping the price of the camera also 1000, and there is removing the taxes as well. Also, when in rental prices, now I am moving in the rental prices. So when I want to add the period in this, for getting the, let's say one example of the period. Let's say one example here, like a person rented the camera, but his work is not ended in one day. He wanted to increase and take one more day. There is a facility and there is an option. A person can increase his use of the camera. So we will take the more charges based on usage and the time limit, or we can say period. So daily purpose, we can, like I'm giving this, we can charge $20 here. So there is the option of the extra hour as well, extra day as well, and security time also. What means security time? Security time means when a product written by a customer, but there is a minimal or repairing time should be required because product is not in a good condition, or business people wanted to repair that product. So for that purpose, they'll be mention the security time after product return, or when they will be give to next person, they'll take some time to repair that product. Now I am moving to the sales tab to add the optional product, which is deposit. What we are depositing here? Camera. As we already created this product, digital camera, as a security deposit. So I am attaching here in the optional products. Let's now save this product. So after saving this product, we have to create a rental order. When a customer comes to rent the camera, say for example from 5th July to July 10, you all have to we have to now create a rental order. Select the rental product camera. So now I am moving to the creating an order. So this is the order page. So now I am moving to the in the orders, as I'm getting all this information or customer's name, because I'm using the demo app. So that's why I'm getting in a default mode. There are a lot of information from the demo only. So open board a customer, I just given all the details here. Now I'm adding the product. So whatever we have created the product as a camera, digital camera, it is getting as stated rental. So I'm just clicking here. When I click here, it will be open one pop-up, because we have already attached the digital camera security deposit to the digital camera actual product, rented product. So let's see how it will be happen. I just click here, then pop-up is there. I'm just adding here, then confirming. After this confirmation, it is still in quotation moment. When I confirm this rental order, then it will be moved to the sales order. That means this is the sales order is basically created. You can easily get to know by tracking this downside information as well. Quotation confirm and sales order created. This is getting from the business admin side only. So we easily get to know and track by following these messages also here. After that, after this, basically I forgot to show you, this is rental period also. So if you wanted to check the rental period as well, let's say I am just increasing this rental period from not even one day, taking for 2 days. So after this, it will be stating 2 days. So when I click on the update rental price, it will be stating a confirmation message. This will update the unit price of all rental products based on the new period. So we already set the new period, then we mark OK. So it will be increase the days as well. So according to your functionality, please check this one and move to the next one. So after confirmation getting in the sales order, now we have to generate the invoice and payment. Once the order is confirmed, create an invoice. The invoice include both the rental fee and the deposit fee as well. The customer pays the full amount upfront. This step is key because it allows you to track the payment and tie it directly to the rental order. So now I am moving to the create invoice here. So if customer is paying down payment, you have to choose and select the down payment option. Otherwise you have to keep following the regular invoice option only. So create draft, I just clicked here. After that you are easily get to know and you are easily seeing here there is two products. Basically one is product, another one is service, which is deposit one. So you have to confirm. After confirmation it will be goes to posted status, and the sales order also already generated before only. Now invoice is created. So there is a one step here, refund the deposit. Now the refund the deposit. So once the so basically now the time return the rental product. If a invoice is created and the customer also use the product, then customer's time, now customer has to return that product. After the rental periods end, let's say the camera was returned on time and in good condition, and we mark the product as returned in Odoo. This steps updates your inventory and signals that you are ready to initiate the refund process. So let's begin the refund process. Understanding of refund the deposit. Now the refund the deposit, go to the original invoice and click on a create credit note. Here's the important part for the deposit product. Set the delivered quantity to 0. Why? Because the deposit wasn't really used. It was a temporary holding amount. Odoo will then create a credit note for the full deposit value. You can then refund the customer by cash, bank, or however you choose, and it's all traceable and compliant.
Okay.
Now I am moving to create the credit note. So if I want to send this invoice to the customer, I can do from here. So I just simply clicked on send. Then this will be created like a document here. So just I click on the continue. Then there is information by email, it is going to customer. Then I click on the send. It is taking time here. So you can easily get to know here the invoice is generated and already sent to the customer, and tagged also getting here sent. Now moving to the credit note to paying the deposit amount. So what reason we can display here, product or camera is in good condition. Now we are giving the deposit amount to the customer. So I wanted to reverse this deposit, so I just simply click here reverse. So basically in last mode it is getting ready, everything is here. So now what we have to do, so there is basically one thing we have to clearly understand. We wanted to return the digital camera security deposit only, not the actual camera product. That is our profit and our money we have already taken here. So that's why I am making it 0 here, and as keeping I am keeping here 1000 rupees only. So let's confirm this to get close each and everything perfectly. So now I am hitting on the confirmation button. Now it is confirmed, and the receipt also got the tag paid. So our 6-step process also got the completed here. So let's recap quickly everything whatever we have learned yet. First thing is create a deposit product, service type, include invoicing policy, delivered quantities, all are included in that. Link deposit as an optional product to rental item. Third step is create rental order and include the deposit. Fourth, generate invoice for both rental fee and deposit. Fifth, mark product as returned after rental. Sixth one, refund deposit by creating a credit note, bid delivered quantity 0. So that's it for today's video. I hope now you have a clear understanding of how to manage security deposit in Odoo Rentals. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming Odoo tutorials. And if you are running a rental business and want help with full Odoo implementation, drop a questions in the comments or reach out directly. I would love to assist you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.